Arrabbiata sauce is an Italian, it's a spicy sauce for pasta made from garlic, tomatoes, and dried red chili peppers, or fresh chilies, and then cooked in olive oil. The sauce originates from the Lazio region around Rome. Arrabbiata literally means angry in Italian. The name of the sauce refers to the spiciness of the chili peppers. Arrabbiata sauce is usually served with penne pasta. Penne pasta is an extruded type of pasta with cylinder-shaped pieces, their ends cut off at an angle. Penne, meaning feather, but pen as well, derived from the Latin penna, meaning feather or quill. And it's a cognate of the English word pen. And so this is where your pen comes from. And the pasta does look like a pen. What antibiotic does a sick Italian take? Penicillin. Oh, Jesus. Did I mention this was a vegan dish? Speaking of vegans, if a vegan with a gluten intolerance who does CrossFit has just gotten the vaccination, what would they tell you about first? Okay, so chop up one red chili and 2 cloves of garlic, smash it up, give it a good crush. Then get your chopped basil or parsley. I use parsley here. Chop it up so it's nice and fine. It's gonna melt up anyway. This is all the gear I used. There's the parsley, garlic, and the chili, and the oil and salt. Throw in a lot of olive oil here. Be generous. Italians use tons of the stuff. Everybody else thinks it's a bad idea. Put your garlic in there, your chili. You can put in more chili if you want a little bit more heat. I would next time. Here comes the tomatoes. These are small whole cherry tomatoes. They broke up nicely during the cooking process. And then that was a tin of pomodori, basically broken up tomatoes. Okay, put in your bicarbonate of soda. That just counteracts some of the acidity. As you can see, it foams up there, producing carbon dioxide. That's why it's fizzing. Don't worry, the creature from the Black Lagoon isn't going to come out of this thing just yet. That looks like a bit of salt. There's some pepper. White pepper. Put in as much as you like. This is to your taste, okay? There's the salt, okay? There's a pinch of cumin. Not everybody does this with their penne pasta. And then you've got the tomato puree. You can leave the cumin out if you don't like it. Throw in your tomato puree. Gives you nice deep flavors. Here, after cooking it for a little bit, you can see I'm just squishing down the garlic. It's nice and soft. Add in your chopped basil or chopped parsley, whatever you're into. That's a little bit of water from the pasta, actually. It's very starchy water. It'll give you a nice kind of emulsified sauce, a nice thick sauce. Just use 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls. That's enough. Here, you can see I'm mixing everything up in a pot that's obviously too small. I should have used a much bigger pot. Hey, live and learn. This is my first time doing a pasta dish. And there is a little bit more parsley. And just a little bit on top for presentation here. This was really nice, actually. We dived straight into it. And my daughter and I, we thought it was very, very nice.